I'm just going to demonstrate another little peach face, the mate of the other one. They've both got beak and feather disease, chronic beak and feather disease, beak dystrophy or deformities of the beak, and this one is not as bad as the other one, but it's similar but different, and I'm just looking to see where the blood vessels run to, getting an idea, having a look on the inside of the beak to see where I need to trim, and we're going to basically go across down to there. So in this case I'm going to start on this side, and I'm calming the birdie, aren't we? We're calming you, just to show that I've just set intention to calm. There's our little friend, like that. So calming birds is something that I want to teach the veterinary profession, because it's not something we're taught at university, but I regularly show that it is possible these days. 5 or 6 years ago I didn't know it was possible, but now I do, and it's a wonderful asset to be able to do that and make life a lot more pleasant for our friends. I've watched John of God over in Aberdeen, Brazil, doing it to people while they undergo surgery while they're still standing up without an anaesthetic, and it's the most baffling process. At one level it defies many aspects of what we've been taught. However, there's many mysteries. Right, now in this case we've just got a tiny little bit of blood there. I've gone for, it's not much, and I'll just see, I'll probably put a cotton bud on there with a little bit of local anaesthetic and something just to make her a little bit more comfortable, but the basic work is done. And because she's calm, a little bit of blood can go a long way, but basically I can still just quietly, baby, just quietly, there you are. And we can still calm her, and you can see that that's not particularly worrying her or distressing her, whereas normally it would.
They'd be chirping and carrying on.
Yeah. And that's the difference with the way I work compared to many others. What's one of the differences?
Just calm the bird. And
that's pretty amazing, isn't it?
Sure.
We'll just keep the blood pressure down for a few moments, and I may not have to do anything on the beak.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Right?
No adrenaline rushing through. Amazing.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. It's just like you've injected it with something.
Yep. But I haven't.
Yeah.
I've given the love, peace, calm, and set the intent. And I say thank you to those who work with me from the unseen world. Or the unseen world for most of us anyway. Some people can see them, but I just know that we've all got help around us if we ask, and we say thank you, and we have faith in ourselves and we have faith in them. You beautiful birdie. Beautiful birdie. Beautiful birdie. Beautiful birdie. Beautiful birdie.